Going to a hospital can be frightening and upsetting, especially for children. There are unfamiliar sights, smells, sounds, and people. With Philips Ambient experience, we can help create a more comfortable, stress-reducing environment. Young patients are empowered to select their own room theme, thus becoming an active participant in the healing process. Dynamic lighting, projection, and sound immediately respond to their touch, distracting the child from the equipment, thus creating a relaxing environment which benefits both the patient and staff. The patient in-bore solution even takes this experience concept a step further by distracting head-first patients when they are moving into the scanner and during the examination. Engaging visuals specially made for children are displayed on the back wall and can be seen via a mirror on the head coil. Combined with sound, they create an immersive viewing experience, helping young patients to relax and hold still during the actual MRI examination. Philips Patient In-Bore Solution, meaningful innovation inspired by you.